When it comes to learning, we all have different ways of handling things.
An A minus? It may as well be a big fat F. Why is this happening to me?
Seriously? Studying for an hour paid off! Babe, are you, like, smart now? Which type of student are you? Oh my gosh, the party tomorrow's gonna be epic! Looks like the fun's over. Could chemistry be more boring?
I know how to spice things up. Nina won't mind. Oh, teacher?
What's she doing? I got you a hot cup of coffee. That was my latte.
I bought it.
Vanilla's my favorite. Now, where's my eraser?
Time to kiss some major butt. A pleasure to help you out, sir.
Is she nuts? That's what I call a grade A student. What you doing down there?
Is this cushy enough for ya?
Can you believe her? We'd better get started here. You happy with yourself?
Just trying to get an A, okay?
Anyone care to answer number 1? Anyone? How about you, Nina? This is the worst day ever.
Oh, boo-hoo.
Whoa, whose bodyguard is that? She looking at us?
Metal detection about to commence. Watch out, kids. Don't have any weapons, do ya? How about you, pretty lady? Good. All systems are a go for entry. Come on in, ma'am.
Who does this girl think she is?
Oh, it's Nina. Duh.
Any excuse for her to make an entrance. Is the room too cold for you, Fido? What are you looking at? This desk is simply unacceptable.
Which is why we brought in something more comfortable. Just wish it was a little lighter. Phew.
This is way better, thanks. That chair's awesome! Did that seriously just happen? So, are we learning stuff or what? Hey, teach? Sorry. I'll be here if you need me, miss. You like school, don't you?
Yes!
I thought recess would never come, but I sure am hungry. Oh, yeah. Need anything, Brian?
A small piece would be nice.
Fine. You're the best. My poor hand! Wait. That was way more than a bite. My bad. I gotta wash this down.
Huh?
Just a sip? Thanks.
A sip. Brian!
Thanks.
You drank the entire thing?
Sharing is way overrated. But mooches like Brian never actually need to mooch. You had that the whole time? Then why'd you eat our stuff? This is ridiculous. Sitting in class can induce anxiety. Nothing some pencil chewing can't fix.
That's good. It's better than chewing gum.
Careful there, Sophia.
Uh-oh. I think I got a little carried away. Oh, man. Do I have another pencil around here? Nina, can I borrow that?
Here you go.
Yeah, that's What's the stuff?
Don't you ever learn, Sophia? Look at the mess you're making. You're like a human wood chipper. This can't be good for those teeth. This thing's really whittling down.
Oopsies. Nina, can I have just one more?
Fine. I'm almost out of pencils here. No! What is she, a beaver? Yikes! Is nothing safe from those teeth? Ah! She's a monster! Nina slept like a rock, huh?
All good things must come to an end. And who's mad about that?
What am I thinking? I gotta go meet with the team.
Off to a wonderful day. Just gotta make a quick stop. 10th good hair day in a row. That's my jam! Who could resist a good ringtone? Go, team, go! Spontaneous cheering always gets me. Now back to business. This table looks good. Is that the bell? Ready? Okay! Let's go!
Man, it's always a show with these two.
Woohoo!
Oh man, I am so tired. I already had some. Some just handle Mondays better than others. And Nina is one of the others. Whoops. Whatever. I can remember all this, right? If you mix sulfur with… what? And we lost her.
Hey, wake up, girl.
I thought this was a nightmare. Nina, you're up. Oh no, not me.
Go!
I can't.
I said go!
Yikes! What was the question again? Something about sulfur?
Is she sleeping? Hey, Nina!
I'll be right with you.
Now she's drooling. Just open your eyes, girl. Wake up!
This pillow stinks.
Alarms always work, right? No? We gotta try something. Hey, catch!
What?
Come sit back down, quickly.
Thanks for the wake-up call. Wait, class is over already? I think I'll take a quick cat nap. Wake me up when it's summer, okay? Did you see yourself in any of these student types? Whether you're a teacher's pet or a pencil chewer, there's no denying that school can sometimes be the pits. Share this with your favorite classmates to give them a laugh. Have you watched these yet? Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss out on the fun.